Enforcement Directorate is conducting searches at 37 premises of contractors and private entities involved in the Delhi classroom construction scam. The case relates to the FIR registered by the ACB. The Delhi police against the then ministers of GNC, TD and other private persons for alleged irregularities in the construction of additional classrooms in various schools of Delhi. So the Enforcement Directorate raids are currently going on. The ED crackdown on the classroom scam taking place 37 locations under the radar. So the raids are currently taking place at multiple locations, and this is in regard to the classroom scam in the national capital. So the ED raids are currently underway in multiple locations, with sources saying that the raids are going to continue. Multiple premises in the national capital, part of the money laundering probe into the classroom construction scam that is alleged to have taken place during the Aam Aadmi Party government, the previous government. My colleague Bhavtosh Singh joins us on the broadcast with the details. Bhavtosh, what more can you tell us?
Well, these raids are being carried out at 37 locations, locations that are linked directly or indirectly to consulting firms or to architect firms. What has happened so far in this case is that in April, ACB had registered a case against Manish Sisodia and also against Satyendra Jain and all the architect firms who had got the contract to construct school rooms. Now, what the ACB had said is that these school rooms that were constructed during the tenure of Aam Aadmi Party, these school rooms were constructed at an inflated cost. Now, they have said that these architect firms were directly or indirectly linked to Aam Aadmi Party. In total, there were 12,000 school rooms that were constructed at an inflated cost. Now, these school rooms should have been constructed at a cost of around 5 lakh rupees, whereas the cost of each school room was around 24 lakh rupees. They have said that the total scam, the value of total scam, according to ED, is a whopping 2,000 crore rupees. So Aam Aadmi Party has denied this charge. Now, during the Aam Aadmi Party tenure, one of the claims that they had made is what they had said was that they had improved the schools, and they had also said that was their big achievement. Whereas ED as ACB has said that this is one of the big scams that they have unearthed. ED has registered a money laundering case, and these raids are being carried out. ED has said that the total proceeds of crime could be over 2,000 crore rupees. The raids are going on. However, ED has clarified that no raids and searches are being carried out at premises of Manish Sisodia as well as premises of Satyendra Jain. ACB has recorded the statement of Satyendra Jain as far as this case is concerned. Okay, all right, Bhavtosh, thank you for joining us with those details. In fact, the former Delhi Deputy Chief Minister Manish Sisodia had skipped the questioning by the ACB previously, and Isha is also on the broadcast with us from the location where the raids are taking place. Isha, politically as well, this was one of the multiple scams that haunted the previous Aam Aadmi Party government. What's the update on the ground?
Right, Pratibha, trouble seems to be mounting for Aam Aadmi Party leaders as the ED is now holding searches at 37 locations, and currently we're present at Babbar and Babbar Architects and Associates. This is one of the prime locations where the ED is holding a raid. Towards the other side as well, I request my camera person Balkishan to show that there are a lot of personnel present here also, which does signify the presence of ED officials inside the premises of Babbar and Babbar Associates. In fact, like Bhavtosh was also stating, the Aam Aadmi Party, the ED has alleged that the Aam Aadmi Party has extrapolated costs up to 5 times when it comes to this particular scam. In fact, the Aam Aadmi Party has said that each classroom has costed about 25 lakhs. However, the real cost is somewhere around 5 lakhs. So definitely trouble seems to be mounting, and this was an FIR which was registered before, and now the ED is holding multiple searches all across 37 locations. Back to you.
Okay, all right, Isha and Bhavtosh, thank you for joining us with those details. With that, it's time for us to slip into a short break. We'll be right back. Stay with us.